Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Notes section within the Accounts application in KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Accounts application, he or she can click on the required account from the Accounts landing page. The details view of the selected account is displayed. The user can navigate to the Notes section by clicking on the Notes tab. The user can view the existing notes once the Notes tab is clicked. A new note can be created by clicking on the Add Note button. Various formatting can be applied to the text in the note. Once the content is filled, the user can click the Save button in order to create the note. The note can be associated with any existing account, opportunity, contact, or lead by clicking on the Associations button and selecting the required items. The notes will be landed and displayed within the selected items as well. An existing note can be edited by clicking the note to be edited by the user. The notes can be deleted by clicking the Delete button. That is how notes work within the Accounts application. Thank you for watching.